Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can access and view the code changes for your app edits on Base44. So let us guide you through the start by navigating to your app project inside the Base44 designer. And then guys, you will need to switch from the preview mode to dashboard, right? Here to the left you will see the code settings, click into it. And now you can go through each layer of your page. For example, if it's a home page, right, you may navigate to a different page and go through these codes. For example, as you can see with my current account status, I can't edit any of these codes, but you can view these, for example, view these changes for the given coding language. For example, here navigate to the given component like index, HTML, or JS config, JSON, and so on and so forth. We will see the given coding language here, and that's it, guys. So that's how you do it. That's how you access the code files. You can also use the search button here to look for specific code within your app project, and that's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.